So these bolts are all loose. Now I'm gonna take this and remove the belt. Alright, with a 15 millimeter, you'll loosen this, remove the belt.
Little by little, I've been, buying here and there some tools so I can, get myself together again.
Okay, the belt is off. Right there. Okay. Belt is off. I'm removing this pulley, the 3 bolts, so I can get access to my water pump. This comes out. Now, water pump has 8 millimeter bolts all the way around, so I'm going to take these off and the water pump is going to come out. The last bolt is coming out. This is pre-mixed, right?
Yeah, pre-mixed.
Alright, good.
This is the one for my car.
Cool. It's gonna start leaking pretty bad. Watch out.
You have to take it away, everything that it has. See, like that one's already pre-mixed.
Okay. I'm gonna clean the surface with the razor blade.
Oh, right here. I found it. Right here. I moved back to Florida.
Yeah, that's true.
So that's why they're working with me. They say you don't have to. I don't have to anyway. By law.
Oh yeah, it works pretty much anywhere, So it is snowing, and this is what, April? In the middle of April, and we have snow. Isn't that cool?
My phone died.
It died?
Oh, yeah, I don't know no charge. It's okay.
Putting the bolts in. I think you will still get a chance to do it. It's gonna keep snowing probably. Oh, look at that goose, huh? Pump is installed. Now I'm gonna have to put this pulley back right here, like so. Alright. Okay. She is.
This is my gift right here.
What do you got?
Yeah, I had this for a whole week.
Yeah?
Back of the trunk.
Hang on, hang on.
Mannequin.
Oh, this thing! Hold on a second, let me... Whoa!
There you go. You got it out?
Yeah, I did get it out. That's the plug.
Oh, there's a plug?
There's a plug, yeah.
Oh, so you didn't have to get it out, just the plug?
No.
Because when you take the hose out, it's better. It drains faster.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
It does?
Well,
we'll see. It's gonna drain. All of it is gonna drain. Just gotta... The water pump is all good, all in place. The belt.
It's draining?
Yeah, it's draining. It's just gonna take a little while.
And it's gonna drain, because see, when you remove it over there, it's gonna drain completely from here too.
That's where you have to remove this too.
Oh no, I just bought that new.
That's new?
Yeah. You gotta push it down.
Go ahead, turn it on.
the pulley doesn't have to play no more.
Perfect. Make sure we have no coolant leaks. Yes, this engine has a misfire, so we're gonna be figuring it out. Go ahead. Making sure everything is good. The water pump pulley doesn't wobble anymore.
I'm thinking that bacon for the tank.
Alright, so that's pretty much it. Next time we're gonna take care of the misfire on this engine. But I put new water pump and all that. Alright, so everything is good, and we also replaced the crankshaft pulley because the old one was bad. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Pretty bad weather. Here we are, we just finished working on this Jaguar. He's my friend. He was also helping me out. He's a great guy.
We got here, Vladimir Pudding, nephew.
Yeah. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. And hit like for Israel. He's a great guy.